Singapore, 1922. 100 years ago, Raffles unveiled its town plan that laid the foundation for Singapore development. The governor wants to celebrate this anniversary in style with the leaders of the different communities. The next day, he discovers that the town plan, Singapore's most important historical document, has been stolen. You are tasked with the investigation. You must retrieve these documents of incredible historical value, and for this, you must find out who stole them. To play this activity, you need to install the app called Loquiz on your phone or tablet. It is available on both iOS and Android. The investigation will lead you to meet informants at diverse locations of tremendous historical value. Places like Thian Hock Keng Temple, Nagore Durgha, Amoy Street, Siang Hill, among others. At each location, your informant will ask you to prove your worth and that you can be trusted. If you succeed, he will share an important clue. As you collect clues, you'll build a profile of the culprit. 15 minutes before the end of the activity, you'll review all the clues you collected to identify the culprit. When you start the activity, you will see a map with icons. These icons are located where you can find informants that will help you with your investigation. They will ask you a number of questions to prove your worth. If you succeed, they will provide you with a clue that will definitely help your investigation. Also, at the bottom of the screen with the map, you will see an info tab. Select it. Initially, you will only see the list of suspects. When you click on the names, the profile of the suspects is given, as well as a potential motivation for the crime. This is also where the clues will appear as you collect them. 10 minutes before the end of the game, you will be prompted to review the clues and the suspect profiles. Review them to identify the culprit. Once you have done it, select Name the Culprit. Let me explain how to start the game. Launch the Loquiz app, enter the username and password. You'll find them in the PDF attached to the email sent to you after you purchase the game. You are then prompted to enter your name. Once that is done, a screen appears with two options: create a team or join a team. If several devices are used within a single team, the first one of you must create the team. To do so, select create team, then enter the team name, and then you are ready. But if others are playing with you, give them a few seconds to join you. They must also enter the username and password. The password is unique to each device. Enter the password sent separately, then enter the name. Once it is done, select join a team, and the screen with the names of all the teams created will appear. Simply select the team you want to join and you are ready to start. From now, all the screens of the team are synchronized. That means that when one of you answers, she or he answers for the team, and others will notice their screen moving to the next step. Good luck. We hope you can uncover the culprit and recover the Raffles Town plan.